Welcome everyone to Apple Insider. I am excited because when I got the new Apple Watch, I also ordered it with Apple's new leather link band. But unfortunately, those bands have straight up been out of stock. And even though I ordered my band when the new Apple Watch Series 6 went on sale, they had not shipped. But that has changed. We have gotten a couple of them in. I actually have two of them. I have the California Poppy one that I've been wearing for several days now as I've been getting this video ready. And then I also just got here the black one. So we're gonna open up the black one. We're gonna show you it, show you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, how the sizing is kind of working, what size I got and what kind of size you should maybe consider. And I'm going to compare it to Apple's leather loop, the one that they've had for a while now, benefits between the two. So let's go ahead and dive into this thing and check out the new leather link band that launched alongside the Apple Watch Series 6. So let's go ahead and open this up. I pulled the seal so you don't have a bunch of weird background noise as we're opening this. So here it is. This is the black leather link band that launched with the Apple Watch Series 6. Now it comes in 4 different colors. California Poppy, that I'm rocking here, comes in black, comes in Baltic blue, and comes in saddle brown. And I was really kind of leaning towards the blue as probably my favorite. I love blue. I have a lot of blue watch bands. But since getting the California Poppy one, it might actually end up being my favorite. I am really liking this color. It reminds me of the caramel Alto leather bands we've looked at, and I know a lot of you guys were fans of that one. So opening this up, inside the box, we have our normal Apple Watch kind of fold that they do for their watch bands, and of course we have our leather link inside of here. It is a little bit awkward to get out. I struggled on the first one. It's a little bit easier here. On the second time, when I push the little pieces down and slide these guys out, and we have, probably made a lot of noise, and it was hard to hear me. So here we have it. We actually have our band, and unlike your normal leather loop, it comes in 2 different pieces. It comes in a small, medium, and a medium large. Now in my case, I ended up opting for the medium large size, but I kind of wish I'd gone for the small medium. You can kind of see where this ends here on my wrist. And if you're looking at like the loop bands, the solo loop or the braided solo loop, I was right there between a 7 and 8, like on the line. And looking at that, I went for the medium large, and it fits, but it comes right up to the edge. I think a small medium would have been just fine for me. And again, I was like exactly between a 7 and an 8 using Apple's sizing guide for the solo loop and braided solo loop. Now these are magnets. They really are magnets with leather. So the black one here, as you can see, we have the black on the outside, and then we have tan brown on the inside. You're not going to see the inside really much at all, but it is there. They are strong magnets. They are quite, you have to put some force into it to pull these things apart, which is good because when this is on your wrist, you don't want it to come apart on you. So there is a good amount of strength to these magnets there. The small side goes underneath the large size, and putting it on is pretty easy to do. I've got the California Poppy one here on my wrist. We can go ahead and peel this off, start on the back. Boom, comes off here on my Apple Watch Series 6. I can put that around the back there, do the small one, and then follow with the large part, and just snaps on. Perfect, no issues at all taking this on or off. And what's really handy about these, because they are a 2-part design, they work with a lot of chargers that normally wouldn't work. Anything that you're laying flat with, when you have a normal leather loop, you couldn't use these link bands because they were a loop. So here we have my previous generation Apple Watch, and it has the regular leather loop on there. And if I try to put this on a flat charger, you can see it would just hit flat like that. I mean, I could put my charger on the inside, but if it's on like a dock or something, it wouldn't work. So you had to completely open it up, feed it through, and then you could place it flat down. It was kind of annoying. So I really like the new idea of these braided or these, leather links that don't do that. Now these things are also super comfortable. It feels very nice and it is really comfortable to wear. It has very small amount of adjustments. You can really tone it to exactly how it's comfortable for your wrist. On top of that, I like the feel of the leather versus something like the sports band or any of the metal bands, because I've been wearing my Apple Watch to sleep. I've been using the sleep tracking with watchOS 7 and using a leather band. It's far more comfortable. So if you sleep with like your hands under your head, something like that, and you've got your band on your face, it's warm. It just feels very comfortable. And kind of as we're heading into these cold months, a warm band like this is something that I actually kind of like. Too many times I'll have a sports band or a metal band and they get very cold or very hot very easily. This is just all around comfortable. It is soft. It's just really nice to wear. And I was a little bit worried about the pill look to these, but after wearing it for a while, I dig it. I dig it a lot. So this is probably going to be my new go-to band for my Apple Watch Series 6. I really like it. Well, let me know what you guys think though. So reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you want to grab one of the leather link bands for yourself in Baltic Blue, Black, California Poppy, or Saddle Brown, you can find the links for all those down below in the description. Let me know what your favorite color is and if you happen to pick one up. Otherwise, I'll check you guys out in the next video.